Welcome everybody to the video. This is a recap video from a live we did yesterday, February 7th, 2024. In this video, sanding some 2x4s and 4x4 cedar posts. They're going to become 2 table bases for 2 display tables that we are making for a local business. The plywood you see behind me is the rest of the table pieces. We sanded it all down with 120. These tables are going to be 6 foot by 4 foot. All the leg pieces and the cross bracing are all going to be dyed black and done with a satin finish. That should give a nice contrast to the natural maple top and shelves. So stay tuned for more videos on this. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like the video. It helps out the analytics and helps support our channel. We'd like to thank you for that. And if you made it this far, thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video, and hopefully you can join us on our next live stream. Have a great day. Take care.